was me and my
Madam, it's you people that did it. There's nothing
wrong with them.
There's no
evidence. Where is the
what evidence?
All I did was to love you, and now you are only telling me face to face that because she loves you, she can't take her own child. Is it when they were accusing her for DNA that she also left this house?
Who's DNA?
Why is it when they're accusing her that she decided to
leave
this house?
If you don't get your own miscarriage, now she don't get. You don't feel equal. You are an evil soul. Mary, you are an evil soul. Pity somebody. The only thing that I'm proud of, the only thing that is making me happy, you took it away from me.
So now our own child is your own first fruit. What of my own?
Madam, that one is bygone.
It is not bygone.
It is bygone. I cried too.
Don't tell me that it's
Don't even bring back the past.
Now you're only
What I don't want you to bring back the past to justify this one right now. No. I will not take it. I'm being pissed right now. I'm telling you my mind. Madam, hey, avoid. Don't even try it because you're evil. You and your mother said it, and right now it's happening. So who am I supposed to blame? No, I will blame another person. It's obvious. It's you and your mother. You said it. You guys said it, and it's happening. All I know, Joy would not. She would not even think or have any plan to take our child. No, Victor, hold this one. Victor, you have to take everything that is happening here. Victor, all this. You hear me? So don't me play. Madam, I said, where are you coming from? You have anything? Start to the talk right now. The talk. Where are you coming from?
I'm just coming back from my family house.
From a family house. Okay? I hear you. Everybody hear you. Oh yeah? They talk.
What do you want me to say?
What do I want you to say? You're acting as if you don't know what happened, right? Oh, you're acting as if you did not reach you, Abby. You not touch you, Abby. Because of how evil you are.
How do you want it to reach me? Was he online? I was supposed to see or hear anything.
Wow. Bravo. You did try. Wait. But hey, no. Don't even try. Don't even act as if you don't know what happened. Not act like that. Madam, since you and your mother has done your worst, what are you looking for again? Mary, I'm asking you this question. What are you looking for again?
What does my mother have to do with it?
Your mother said with her own mouth. She said she's going to take my child away, and she did. You said you said it with your own mouth. Mary, you said it with your own mouth. But you don't forget, say I dare here. Where we say you were here when I knelt down. I begged you. I even went to the village. If I swear for you, go catch you alive. I even went to the village. Your other village. I go to the house. Go beg your mama. I can give her money. Give her a wrapper. I bought her wrappers.
Did you go to any native person and they told you it was me and my
Madam, it's you people that did it. There's nothing
wrong with them. There's no evidence. Where is the evidence that we did it?
What evidence? I don't need any evidence right now. I don't need any evidence right now. It is obvious and everybody know online that you people did it. Because your mother said it with her mouth. Your mother said it with her mouth.
Anybody can say it.
And right now, madam, would you stop trying?
Stop bringing out your annoyance. Don't you do things out, or don't you say things out of annoyance?
Okay. You said things out of annoyance right now.
What did she even say? Did she even tell you she was going to take your baby's life?
She said it with her mouth and she did it. She said it with her mouth and she did it. Everybody, thank God I used to go live. Thank God everything is on live. Thank God everything is on live. Right now you have nothing to deny. It is obvious. My own child. My first fruit. You people take it away from me. I know you're happy right now. It is sweet to say. I know your mind is sweet to you right now because if you don't get your own miscarriage, now she don't get. You don't feel equal. You are an evil soul. Mary, you are an evil soul. What are you doing in this house? No, what you can't come back for again now? Now me, they send you next. No, talk to me. Did they send you to me next? Since you cannot pity somebody, the only thing that I'm proud of, the only thing that is making me happy, you took it away from me. God will punish your entire generation. You see this character that you bring out. You see this thing that you and your mother did. God will not forgive you. I'm coming. But anyway, when don't say from, come. Leave all this thing where they do. Come out for here now. Come out for here and don't disturb Joy. She's inside. She's resting. She's inside. She's resting. Don't piss me off.
I wish you were like this when I lost
you
my
wish
own
what?
child. So now our own child is your own first fruit. What of my own?
Madam, that one is bygone.
It is not bygone.
It is bygone. I cried too.
Don't tell me that it's
Don't even bring back the past.
Now you're only
What I I don't want you to bring back the past to justify this one right now. No. I will not take it. I'm being pissed right now. I'm telling you my mind. Madam, hey, avoid. Don't even try. Hey, what's your problem?
Just leave me alone.
You saw what side put on the thing now. Go side put on the thing. Go. I see nothing. There is nothing you will deny in this world. There is nothing. Darkness and light has nothing in common. Come outside from there and come and leave right now, please. At least for now, I don't want to see you in my house, please. I beg you in the name of God. It's not fight, it's not quarrel. Please, right now, leave. Now, me, want the wine. It's opposite day, I beg you. Me, the whole meal, lemon, I need that, I beg you. You still go do it you want to do, Abi? Suddenly, when you come out, now this thing go happen. Suddenly, when you come out, go see your mama, Abi, where you say you go, now this thing go happen. How evil you guys are in your family. How evil you guys are in your family. People say you want to constantly pay for what? God, they go. Stop pretending. Stop pretending, man. Just stop pretending. There's nothing to pretend about this world right now. Come and be going, Pico. Please, this one is too much for me to take. I cannot take this force again. It is out of hand. I cannot take this once again. Just the day you left, oh, suddenly she has miscarriage and everything wiped up. And you're coming here to cry, to shed crocodile tears, to act as if nothing happened, right? Madam, yes, pass this way, please. Pass this way. I don't want to even touch you. I don't want to even do anything. Respect the fact. Madam, you're sitting down. I tell you pass this way. Go back to where you're coming from. Don't sit down on my couch. Stand up. Then I'm talking to you.
You can't tell me to leave.
I can't tell you to leave. What do you want to do this time around now? Is it to take me? Is it to take me to?
I can't even believe that all this is actually coming from your mouth.
Madam, you're jealous and you're so wicked. You're jealous and you're so wicked, Mary. I know Joy might have made you, she made you angry, right? But she begged you, she pleaded with you.
All those things that she did,
at least, madam, would you shut up and stop pretending?
I wasn't begging.
Stop pretending, madam. Are you hearing me? At least you should have faced her, not the baby, not our child. My child is also your child.
Her child is
you should have begged your mom. I don't know what you guys did, but you guys said it with your mouth and you guys did it. And right now you're coming, you're acting as if you don't know what you guys did. All in the name of pretense for me to believe you. No, talk. Pour out what you want to say. Spit it out from your mouth. Spit it out.
If anybody will even accuse me of anything, it shouldn't be you.
Who?
It shouldn't be you.
Who says so?
Oh,
I know you too well. Oh my God. I know your family too well. Oh my God.
It shouldn't be you.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
It's not even supposed to be you.
I'm boiling right now.
It's supposed to be you.
It shouldn't be me. It should be who?
It's not supposed to be you.
It should be who?
If truly your intentions were pure when you knelt down to beg me, if truly your intentions were pure, how would you accuse me of doing something like this now?
Why?
How would you accuse me of doing
You said it from the very beginning. Oh my God, you're trying to deny it.
I did not say anything. You guys are putting words in my mouth.
I
did not say anything. Why are you blaming me?
My God will punish you people. The God that I serve will punish you people. I'm trying to hold myself right now. I understand that you have done it, right? What are you waiting for again? What do you want again? What do you want again? No, what do you want again? What do you want again? That's what I'm asking. Talk to me. What do you want again? The only thing that's making me happy, you took it away from me. You are your mother. And you're coming back to where you went from. I don't know where you go. You are coming back. And you're denying the fact that you know nothing.
Was I in this house when she had it?
You know nothing.
Was I here?
God will
Did
judge
she
you.
tell you I pushed her from somewhere?
You
Did
see
she
this
tell you I
crocodile
did?
tears?
Did I use any violence?
You see this
Did
crocodile
I use any
tears?
hard thing on her?
You see this crocodile tears? God will judge you for this
It's
thing.
my own God that will judge the two of
God
you.
will
My
judge
God
you.
will judge the two
How?
of you. I will keep some. I will cook
How?
people we eat in this house. I will keep everything you eat. Why did I
How?
not do it then? Why is it now?
How?
Why is it
Who
now?
knows? Everybody, a lot of evil people, a lot of people
From
know
your
that
mouth,
evil way
let me
out.
hear, Lomo Kuri.
Madam,
Let
you
me
know
hear.
your evil way
Let
out.
me hear.
You have done it.
Let me
What did
hear.
you gain?
Ow.
Mary,
Wow.
please tell me. What did you gain? No, we're not having problem. We're not having quarrel. Okay? What did you gain, or what did you intend to gain right now? What did you gain?
As if I'm not suffered enough.
Oh, you want everything to be equal. Obviously, you want everything to be equal. You want to get now. You lost your baby then, and she has lost her own now. Okay, you want everything to be equal. Your mind is now sweeting you. You did evil. May nobody believe this cry where they cry. You did evil. I swear, my sister, you did evil. You are evil. You are evil. You are evil. You are evil. I'm not anyway expecting this kind of thing from you. You are evil. Opposite, I beg you. Opposite, I beg you. She beg you. Anything we want to do, why you not do her? If I do her now, like, no, leave the pikin. What did the child do to you? What did the child do to you? Making people saying all sorts of things online. How would Joy want to take her own child? How? It's not possible. Somebody that I know she would
take her
not
own child. You could
take her own
accuse me that I
child.
took my own child, right? Is that not the same thing you said?
How?
Oh, she can't take her own, but I can
She can take her
mine.
own child because
I
she's
can
in
take
love
mine.
with me. She's in love with me and she knows, okay, yes, right now I don't have any child and she wants to give me a child. So why would she want to take her own child? This is so obvious that it's not. It is spiritual. There's nothing you want to tell me. There is nothing you or your family want to tell me right now. It is obvious. It is pretty more obvious. Though I know would not want to take her child. She would not even try it. She would want her child to be alive and bear my name and be in this house. Joy would not want to take our child. You took the child. You took the child away from us. You took the child away from my family and you take everything. You take everything. Oh, Jesus.
I don't know why you're doing this.
Anything she did to that fake.
I don't know why you're doing this to me.
Alayo. Anything she's getting to that Alayo, she's pretending. This baby is pretending. She knows how to pretend very well. Oh, God.
I don't know what
Oh,
I
God.
did wrong. I don't know what I did wrong to you. I don't know.
Ah, wait till I use my head carry. Wait till I use my head carry. Wait till I use my head carry. Don't you want
I
this
can't point out
life?
that this is where I went wrong in my life. All I did was to love you, and now you are only telling me face to face that because she loves you, she can't take her own child. But I could take my own child. Do you know what it means?
What did I do?
Do you know the trauma I went through? I was reducing every day because I was. And now you are telling me she can't take her own child.
What did I do? What did I do? Mary, what did I do? You talk to me. What did I do you? What did I do you? Wait, take this beginning away from me. What did I do you? What did I do you? What did I do you? Why would you hear your mother connive to take you? This is making me happy. Ah, God. God, please fight this war for me. Ah, Papa, you didn't fail. You didn't fail.
Never fights the fight of a wicked person.
Fight this war for
You
me.
would never fight
I'm
the
wicked
fight of
now,
a
right?
wicked person.
Open your mind to
She
tell me I'm
was the
wicked.
one that was going out to
Oh, you're
drop
defend your
control
job.
her. She will go to social media and say all sorts of things. Does she think God is sleeping?
Oh, you still have
when
your
she
mouth
was
to
mocking
rant.
me, does she think God?
Oh, you still have your mouth
I
to
will
rant.
talk.
You will talk.
I will talk because you guys are accusing me wrongly now.
Ah.
I will talk. If it's not because you guys are evil, why would you even just point? Why would you even decide to point your fingers at me? Why are you not thinking? Why did you decide to point at me? You are the same person that knelt down here. I knelt down there and I begged you.
Oh.
And now you are telling me that I'm the one that took your child. How?
What
What made you
now?
think?
Let me tell you this
makes
thing now.
make you think
It is
far?
very obvious that you guys have an interior motive.
What interior
It is
motive?
obvious. It is written all over you right now.
David, if I
It
had
is written
any
all
interior
over you
motive-
right
If I
now.
had any interior motive, I would
Okay.
never have let her in that bedroom in the first place.
You
Never,
will never have.
I
I don't understand. You rented this house?
Excuse me, I did
Oh,
not
you
have
don't
anything
have
to do with it.
anything. Forget.
It has nothing to do
You
with
have
it.
no voice
I have.
in my house.
I do.
What have you done here?
What have I done?
If I still want her to stay in that house, in my room, she will stay.
She's free.
I have to ask
She
for your
is
permission
free.
because of I love you.
She is free.
I
No,
have-
you don't. You
I
don't
have-
tell somebody that you love that the person is totally the fault of you losing your child. No. If you love me, then you wouldn't accuse me of such a thing. Do not use that word. You know who you love and stop lying to me that you love me. This is not what we call
I swear to
love.
God,
What are you calling
God will
love?
punish you.
What are you calling love?
God
This is
will
what you
punish
call
you.
love. You keep
God will
frustrating me
punish
and
you.
making my life miserable all
God
the
will
time.
punish you.
Because
God
of
will
you, do you know how many
punish
times I
you.
cry?
God will punish you. God will punish you. God will punish your family. God will punish your mother. God will punish you.
I since
God
I
punish
married
you.
you, how many times have I
You came
had
here now,
peace
you're
of mind?
pretending, right?
How many times have I had peace of mind?
You're
All
not
my
gonna
problems,
get it.
I have always had problems.
You're not
since I
gonna
got
get it because
married
you're
to you.
evil. You're not gonna get it because you're evil. You and your mother said it, and right now it's happening. So who am I supposed to blame? No, I will blame another person. It's obvious. It's you and your mother. You said it. You guys said it, and it's happening. All I know, Joy would not. She would not even think or have any plan to take our child. She would not. I can swear on that one. Joy, Joy will take our child. She will take the baby.
Continue blaming
Why?
you. Continue blaming.
I don't know if you guys are thinking also. I don't know if you guys are seeing this thing also. Joy would not want to take her child. In fact, if that will actually make you feel jealous, Joy will want to keep that child. People are not thinking this thing. Joy would not want to take that child. I know her too well. Now it don't sweet you. It don't sweet you. She has miscarriage and using you. You have miscarriage and she has too. Equal. Okay, fine, you're not equal. Your mind is sweeting you. Oh, perfect. You see this thing where they pretend? Crocodile tears. Okay. Why can't be saying that when you come out, now the pikin go? Why? Where you go?
Why is it when they were accusing her for DNA that she also left this house?
Who's DNA?
Why is it when they're accusing her that she decided to
Pikin, why
leave
doesn't
this
my pikin?
house? Why did she
Pikin,
decide to
wait!
leave?
Who's DNA? Anybody
Why
want?
did she decide to leave?
Madam,
Don't ask
hey,
silly
don't tell me,
questions,
oh,
please.
I'm
Don't
not
ask
gone
me.
yet,
I'm
oh.
not even in the mood for
God
that
forbid.
question.
My enemy is not gone yet. Who's
Amen.
DNA? Pikin, why doesn't my pikin? They tell me DNA. They tell me DNA.
If the child
What if I don't want any DNA
she
test?
wouldn't even try it. If
Madam,
the
I'm
child
asking you.
was alive, she wouldn't
What
try it.
if I don't want any
She wouldn't
DNA
try it.
test?
She have not gone anywhere.
What if I don't want
What
any
is she
DNA
looking
test?
for? Any pregnant woman is meant to stay in her husband's house and not move
What
over
if
now.
I don't want
But
any
she
DNA
will walk
test?
up and down. What happened to that child? Now you guys are accusing me.
God will punish you. Now, what I know. Come and live. You have done the worst. You have done your worst. You have done anything evil anybody can even talk about right now. You have done everything bad. Turn the go. Final. Please. Allow her breathe. It's okay. Don't try. Can't they go? At least for now, I don't want anything broken. Victor, let her life. Let every blogger take all these things right now. Let every blogger take this particular one right now. Because it's obvious. I know that Joy would not take a child. Joy would not take that child. She would never take that child. If it's that child, if it's meant for that child to be alive so she can use it to pepper Mary, I know Joy wants to do that. So Joy can never take that child. Joy can never take that child. You guys should think. You guys blogging nonsense. I know Joy very well. Joy will never take that child. The pikin are accepting my pikin. Even though I don't hear not my pikin, but I accept the child is mine. So Joy will never take that child. So every blogger, take this one right now. Take this one and you guys should blog it. Blog it because you go and find the previous live video that the mother came and both of them said they will take my child away from me. Right? People find it. This girl, you now sell, you go enter very soon. Now sell! I bet you, no better. Sell, you go jail.
Except I was the one who said,
Victor! C'est ma porte, now have that idiot. Have that idiot!